Homework set number 1 for ECE 403 Design 2 is available on Bison Academy right here. In this homework assignment, you are to rank your top 3 choices of the projects you want to work on for Senior Design 2 and 3. So if you want to work in a group, specify who else is in your group, turn in 1 sheet per group. Otherwise, turn it in as an individual and we'll match you in with a group. Ideally, there should be 3 people per group. What looking for are the members of your team members, if you have more than one, your first choice, second choice, and third choice on projects. The projects to choose from are available on Bison Academy under the project list. Now that varies semester by semester, so if you click on that, you'll have a brief description of the projects, and you can pick on the one that you want. This is due week number 2. In week 2, we will assign you to a group, and you'll know which project you're working on. You'll also know which workstation you're working at. So that's homework set number 1 for ECE 403.